fat boys are back, and you know they can never be whacked. The fat boys are back. Do you like the fat boys? Like the fat boys.
Oh, good morning there. I don't know about you, but the first thing on my mind when I wake up is food. Let's make some breakfast. So you wake up in your truck, in the parking lot of your favorite resort, next to the chairlifts, but in order to get extreme on the slopes, you're gonna need some food. That's where breakfast comes in. So fire your stove up, get some quick oats, put those bad boys in there. It's up to you. If you're trying to go extra big, shake a little more in there. You're gonna add some water in there. Pretty much just want to add enough to cover the oats. Now we're talking. Cover that bad boy, and just let it simmer for a minute till the oats are all delicious and tasty. Alright, so once you've let that bad boy simmer for a few minutes, and the water's absorbed in those oats, now you can pretty much do whatever you want. So why not put a little cinnamon, a little honey, peanut butter, and just stir that in. And then for the kicker, let's chop some banana in there. Put it all in to taste, however amount you like. And there's nothing better before boarding than a pot of oats with all sorts of deliciousness and nutritiousness. Yum. Alright, now we're getting breakfast out of the way. Let's bash. So you boarded all day, you're hungry. Let's take care of that situation with some dinner. Step one, get some heat on there. So we're gonna make a little Thai delicacy here. We're gonna make some coconut curry. It's warm, flavorful, easy, one pot, 4 ingredients. Step 2, add the coconut milk. 1 full can. Curry paste. I'm gonna go for some green curry paste. A couple tablespoons at least. Give it some good flavor. Add 2 cups chopped veggies. I got some carrots and some broccoli. 1 bag pre-cooked rice. Brown and wild rice medley. Wow. Once that's all mixed up, pop the lid on, let that bad boy simmer for about 10 minutes. You've got dinner.